Love and marriage go together like a horse.
Well, she is our expert when it comes to marriage and caregiving, and she is a regular here on Great Day Sunday. Star Kaloy is back on the relationship track with advice on how to spice things up when it comes to, you guessed it, lovemaking. Star Kaloy, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm delighted to do this series because I think it speaks to anybody who's in a relationship, marriage or otherwise. But you're talking specifically about the marital relationship this morning. There are 5 points, you say, when it comes to spicing things up. Let's start with friends. You say that women have many friends, and we do, Star, that we share things with.
That's right. Women have many friends. We have family members we talk to. Now, a man has very, very few friends, in comparison with a woman. So the main thing that he ever talks to a man about, if he's going to about his problems, if he wants an answer, if he wants a solution, that's the only time he does it. Otherwise, he doesn't. It's work, 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 work.
Right.
So for women share everything. So if a woman is absent in the relationship for the man to talk to, and she's busy with the computer, she's busy with the kids, she's busy with her mother and her other family, she's busy with work, and she's absent from that, she doesn't realize how she's ignoring his emotional needs and his, not just his physical needs sexually, but also his emotional needs. Sex provides an emotional outlet and a spiritual outlet for the man.
So make your husband your friend first before sharing all the details.
Don't exhaust yourself emotionally with everyone else. Share yourself and have plenty left. Don't give him the leftovers, in other words.
Gotcha. Now, you say if you ask most men what makes them feel loved, they measure it in terms of the frequency of intimacy, true?
Right, exactly. And then women measure, if you ask a woman, what makes you feel loved?
Jewelry.
They're diamonds.
Prada? No, kidding. Yeah, but you say it's in all of our...
Yeah, it has to do mainly with how the man treats her and listens to her, how he gets on her level, how he treats other people. Is he kind to other people? Is he honest? Is he generous? And also, Bridget, if he's good to the kids. Now, that ties directly into having to do with intimacy. But he can't fathom how one has to do with the other.
Right.
And that's why we like to teach this, so they understand what it has to do with it.
One of the things you say is have priorities in order. Love making is, if it's not a priority in the marriage, you're going to have some problems.
That's right. If a woman does not make lovemaking and intimacy a priority in the marriage, then he feels inadequate. If he doesn't make lovemaking a priority in the marriage, she feels undesirable and she doesn't feel beautiful anymore.
So, Star, how should people go about this when they're working 9 to 5? They've got social events on the weekend. Do you schedule time?
Well, we schedule time for what? Just stop and think to yourself. We schedule time to go to work.
Hair
we work
appointments.
8 hours. Hair appointment, doctor appointments. We take care of nail appointments, for heaven's sake. We must take time to schedule time intimately with our loved one.
Okay.
And make it gourmet. Now let's talk about gourmet meals compared to sandwiches, okay? All right. A gourmet meal is not just thrown together. It takes preparation and presentation.
Yes.
And that's why it's important that we have our room ready. We don't just have to get away to a hotel. We can make our own room our boudoir. I mean, my goodness, we can make it nice and soft lighting and early in the morning before the kids wake up. You can make it, if you make it a priority, it's some work, but it's well worth it, because then you're showing your partner, I love you. I care about you. You're important to me. You're so important that I want to make you feel good, not just for myself. I want a gourmet meal this morning, not a sandwich.
Right, not a sandwich. So what I'm hearing you say is be the chef of your own recipe. And is it not true, Star, that in the beginning of relationships, people put all their efforts into that?
Yes,
and then it seems that when marriage rolls around, it tapers off.
And you know why? It's because of busy bedrooms.
Let's talk about that.
We've got cell phones going in the bedroom, laptops on our lap. We're reading books, televisions. We're doing everything but making love in the bedroom.
So do you say clear all that stuff out?
Move it out of the way. Put the candles up, put the scents on, have some soft music going. Show your partner, hey, this is a place we go to rest and to rejuvenate, because that's what intimacy does, Bridget. It rejuvenates yourself. It rejuvenates your marriage. It injects energy into it. Talk about vitamins. Wow. It's powerful. You can conquer the world if you're close to your mate.
So should men and women take the initiative equally to set these scenarios, or is it?
Oh no, absolutely. It
Okay.
should not just be on the woman. That's what will endear that husband to that wife. We've run into 9 different couples over the last 3 weeks that the woman is leaving.
She's leaving because
He does not make the relationship the priority.
Oh.
And now he's desperate and he needs to get her back before she divorces him. We've been very successful in the last few weeks. We've spent countless hours with these couples and been able to help them.
And that-
and thank God, because we haven't lost a marriage yet.
Well, and that is what you
So,
guys specialize in, you and your husband, Bob.
Yes.
Marriage 101 classes. This is where they're talking about all of these different things. You can join a class anytime.
Free.
Registration is now 210-521-8668. Marriage101.net is where you can talk to Bob and Star Kaloy, or you can check them out on the radio. They're on KKYX 680 AM on Saturdays from 9 to 10 a.m. They're talking about caregiving in the home with your loved ones, and from 10 to 11 they're taking your questions on marriage and love making, peanut butter sandwiches versus